This video is going to cover the offline display, and in order to use the offline display window, instead of a point-to-point guidance calculation, we need a point-to-route calculation. So I set up a test pipe in here, and we're going to set up the guidance calculation for this. So we're going to go to the Setup tab and click on Guidance Calculations. And I'm going to click on the plus icon. And our From drop menu is going to be our vehicle, which is Vehicle 1. And our To drop-down menu is going to be Pipeline, Test Pipe. And we're going to be tracking forward, so I'm going to choose Forward. And click Apply. And OK. Now that we have our guidance calculation set up for point to route, we're going to open the offline display. And to open that, we're going to go to the View tab and click Offline. So the first thing we need to do is configure our offline display. And to do that, we're going to right-click and Configure. And under the Calculations drop-down, we're going to select the guidance calculation that we created for the route. And max value, that's just going to be shown down here. So we've got 50 meters right now. I'm going to change that to 20. And you can choose all the start ranges and the colors that are going to be displayed for the offline display. So I'm going to leave the start range at 0, and we'll leave that at green. For my next color, I'm going to plug in 2 meters. And for red, I'll plug in 3. And click OK. So I'm going to go ahead and run a simulator so you guys can see the vessel tracking in the offline display. And I kind of exaggerated this a little bit. The vessel's moving gradually to the port side of the route. So you'll see right here we're already negative 1.5 meters offline. And we just hit 2 meters, so we set that to change yellow. And we're coming up on 3 meters, and it changed red. So you can set those values to anything you want to track on the offline display. This concludes our offline display video. Be sure to click the video link below covering guidance tracking with text windows.